Welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. Welcome to my channel, guys, to everything. On this channel, on this video, we're going to learn, how barbers are making 50,000 naira weekly in Nigeria cities. As a barber in Nigerian city, you are likely going to make serious money weekly. So what does it require to be a barber? What are the things required? You can have to do just to have a shop where you have your shop, you have your mirror, you have your clipper, you have the chairs, you have the tables, and have a standby generator. And your shop should be located in a good location. Have a good location for your shop, and you have a good customer base. And most people in the city are making like 50,000 naira weekly from the barbing salons. So you too can make such kind of money. Some barbing salons, they have about 2-3 seats in the shop, and each barber makes as much as 5,000 naira daily. And how much are they charging? Some of them are charging 500 naira to have their hair cut and all that. So if you have three or two of you and the same shop, barbing at 500 naira per cut, and you're making you have about 10 customers coming to have their hair cut in each day. 500 times 10 is how much? It's 5,000. So each of you are making 10,000 per day. In a week is how much? It's 60,000 naira. People making every week. So how do you get that kind of customer base? All you have to do is just make sure that you let people to know that you are there and your shop location, and make sure that the barbering shop, the shop is clean. Have enough equipment for the barbing. Have a very good mirror, a very good seat, and warmer for your towels. And also the sterilizer. To sterilize the whole your instruments you are using for the barbing. So that's how you can make the shop to be very, very clean and neat. It will attract enough customers that will come to your shop to come and have their hair cut. So you can make as much as 50,000 naira weekly from the barbing shops. So it's a very, very lucrative business. You can start with not much capital. So I encourage you, if you're looking for how to make money in Nigeria cities, it is good you start a barbing salon, and does not require much for you to start it. You can start it gradually and upgrade as time goes on. Get a very good paint to paint the place, make it look attractive, have enough equipment, especially a good sitting arrangement, and you will be smiling to the bank weekly. So barbers are making serious money. So you can open your own barbing salon and be part of the people that are making money from barbing. So the only thing I have and even the barbing salon must have a very good lighting points and lighting fittings, so that at least you can see your hair as you are being barbed. So it will make it out to have more customers, daily. And like I said, you also have a standby gen. If there's any power failure, especially in Nigeria where there's always power failure, have a standby gen. So when there's a network failure, you should be able to have power back by way of putting on your standby generator. And make sure that your clippers are also always sterilized, using your sterilizing equipment at all times, because no customer would like to go home and start experiencing rashes on their hair. So once, like myself, in time I go to have my hair cut, maybe to a particular barbing salon, and I experience rashes on my hair, I will never go back to that place. So make sure that you sterilize your equipment, you clean everywhere in this, especially in this area of COVID. Make sure that the place is extremely neat. Make sure it's always decontaminated, and your equipment are very clean, and also the environment is very, very clean. So you'll be rather assured that you'll be making at least 50,000 naira weekly from the business. So it's a lucrative business. I encourage you to be part of it. you know, because cities, some places they collect 500,000 naira per cut, some 600, some 700, some 800, depending on the area and how good and how fine and how beautiful your salon is. I believe if you are looking for a business to venture in, this is a lucrative one. Irrespective, anywhere you are in the world, it's a very, very good and lucrative business. So I encourage you to start. If you have any question, any comment to make concerning this business, don't forget to use the comment box below to ask your question, and we are there to answer you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel using the red button below. Click on the red button to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, feel free to ask us. Don't share the video with your colleagues and your friends, and I know you'll be smiling to the bank. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. God bless you. Bye for now.